So located here, this is the 360 Insights Entrepreneurship Center, also known as the Fast Start Office. So if you are interested in business, starting up your own business, or providing support to small businesses or entrepreneurship ventures, this is a great place to come. So in here, you'd find a like-minded group of creators and aspiring business people to help start up your own business and gain the support that you would need. So if you're interested in learning how to do a marketing pitch, making a business plan, or learning about general market practices, this is a great place to come and you have access to as a Durham College student. Another great thing that we do have running through our Fast Start office is generally every year we will have representatives from the TV show Dragon's Den come in, and they're looking for students' pitches for various different businesses, inventions, whatever it may be. So if you have that keen business sense and that fire in you, I highly recommend taking advantage of this amazing space here.